So hello everyone, today I am back with the new chapter of Missionary Enrollment 61. In the previous chapter we have seen that Yuzin has attacked the boyfriend of her. So let's see what happens next. So let's get into the chapter. I heard you worked yesterday, you caused some problem. He is always bothering him. Do you know who you touched, huh? Whoever the opponent was. I just did my job. That's what he has to say. Whatever he is, he don't know what Yuzin is. So let's see what happens next. I'm going crazy because of this jerk. I heard there are a lot of people who are doing concerns these days. Listen carefully, kid. The person you touched is the third person in the KP group to the group marketing director. In addition, KP recently invested in Chasiv Haas agency. He doesn't care who he is. You don't know who this person is. Let's see what happens. Because of you, not only Chasiv Haas but also her agency are in trouble. Do you know what's going on now? Huh? I don't know what fantasies you had about security work. Just give it up. Don't hurt others. You are in the fantasy world. He, not he. Come on. Let's go somewhere else. Soha, I heard you made a mistake with the director yesterday. Hurry up and apologize. I think he is blackmailing her. CEO, did you call someone who had a schedule from this morning to say that? And I am not the one to apologize. That's right. What? Soha, what's wrong with you? Director, I am sorry. Soha is stressed out because of stalkers. He is the big one. Stalker. I have to understand that it's going to happen. Thank you for your understanding. I heard it from the CEO. I heard you haven't signed the contract yet. That's why I called you. You gave me enough time to think. We have been together since we were training. But we have to go together against this time. I paid much more attention to the conditions that I initially suggested. Don't sign the contract. He is a scammy bastard. Is this how you push it? I have to sign a contract regardless of my will. Oh, the bodyguard yesterday. Cut him off. I can't wait and see such a violent guy next to Soha. You are doing a great mistake. I see. Just cut him off. What's wrong with you, CEO? Even if it's not with the director. To team leader Kim, I was thinking about it because I heard that there was a problem with the bodyguard named Yuzin. Don't mess with him. You will be getting in trouble. Yuzin didn't do anything wrong at all. And last night, his name is Yuzin. What? There is some translation mistake, but I will correct it. I guess you are close enough to call his name comfortably. Were you being so cold to me because you were in front of him? Here we go again, nonsense and jealousy. No, you are a crook, possessive. Don't misunderstand, he is just a bodyguard and I just didn't want him to keep coming even though we broke up a long time ago. Yeah, it doesn't matter if he can't be a bodyguard friend from now on. What? I think he is trying to scam something. Let's see. It doesn't make sense for a violent guy to be a bodyguard protecting someone, isn't it? She's shocked. Do you have to do that? You don't have to take it out on someone who doesn't know anything because of the renewal of the contract. She's trying to protect him, but he doesn't need anyone's protection. What are you talking about? I am renewing my contract, of course. I am going to do it. Why am I angry? Regardless of that, it's because he is in danger. Lies. He is lying to her. Then we can just end up not allowing my bodyguard. Why should I do that? Can you say that when you see what I have been subjected to by such a beggar? Hurry up and sign the contract. Let's just go and eat. Director Kim, bring that bodyguard. I think he is going to mess up all things. Yes, she is angry. I am choking. I want to get out of here right now. What? You were a child when I saw you from a bright place. That's why you didn't even know the top. You are the child, not him. There is no need to be security service in the future. SW will tell you on this side. So quit your job right away. Dude, your life will be very tired in the future. Let's see whose life will be tiring. Miss Cha Si-ho. It's time to move to the next scheduled locations. He doesn't care about what he has to say. Let's go. You are going to take Siva. Try it. Take him if you take her if you can. Because the other 3 bodyguards are hired by him. I am sorry, I will take care of it well. Team leader Kim, do it properly. Yes. She is shocked. What's happening? Don't make a fuss here. Come out right now, punk. Hey, wait a minute. Yuzin, you don't have to be my bodyguard anymore. So hurry up and go back. I fired you. She is trying to protect him. Let's see what happens. What are you doing? Hurry up and go. If you understand, turn it off, you punk. And here comes the punch. The fight starts. Everyone is shocked. What's happening? I think there's a misunderstanding. Let's see what's happening. My employer is not Cha Si-ho. Here comes the mystery. She is shocked. Thank you for watching this chapter and hope you guys liked it. If there were some mistakes, you can correct me in the comment section. See you guys next week. If you have any suggestions of manhwas, you can comment down below and I will try to upload it. Thank you and subscribe to my channel if you like my work.